For the first portion of the Super Phonics course, you will be reviewing the phonics skills the student has previously learned in a recorded class. This section of the lesson should be quick as these are reviews of skills. For example, in the Level 1 Phonics course, these slides should take around 3 minutes in total. The focus of this live one on one lesson is to make sure the student can apply these skills and get accurate output. The lesson objectives are located on slide 2 of each of these classes. These are a great reference tool to clarify which skills are new and which skills are review in the class. In level 1, the student will be learning and practicing the alphabet, letter sounds, and short vowel families. When teaching new letter sounds, the student will be introduced to an audio clip and then prompted to repeat after the teacher 3 times. To better support the student here, make sure you take advantage of this one on one class time. Ensure that the sound is being produced accurately before moving on. Showing accurate mouth formation can be very helpful to these learners. This is a great time to take your camera view and swap it to the large view on the screen so the student can see your mouth more clearly. For example, when teaching the short E sound in level 1, eh, eh, showing the mouth shape and emphasizing with my hands close to the screen can really help the student see the difference between the short E and the short I, making sure the mouth shape is correct. It's also important that teachers lead with accurate pronunciation of these letter sounds. When teaching synthetic phonics, the letters are taught with short, crisp, and clipped, breathy sounds. These are the sounds heard in words, and this allows the student to more accurately blend the words together. For example, in this first lesson, you are reviewing the letter B sound. B, b. Make sure to eliminate any additional sounds after, such as buh. This makes it difficult for the student to blend the words together. If the student has incorrectly learned this sound, I like to model with scissors and clip the ending buh. Clip, buh, buh, and clip off that ending sound. When blending the new sounds together to form words, pair the blending with some movement to support your student, especially those students that prefer kinesthetic learning. On this slide, make sure to note that the hand icon at the top of the corner, click, 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 will advance the slide to more activities on the screen. For example, you will click model bet, b, e, t. Have the student repeat, bet. That is one way to model with movement. Another way is to chop your arm, b, e, t, then blend together, bet. So you will model bet for the student, have the student repeat, click the hand icon, click, and then have the student read the word bed independently using whatever motion you paired with it. Again, the blending motion is really helpful for those kinesthetic learners. In level 2, the shift is to long vowel sounds and consonant blends. In this lesson, the student is learning the silent E for phonics practice. If a student needs additional support with this rule, a whiteboard is a great tool here. You can write out the words and change the color of that silent E to signal that this sound is not heard, or you can even put a slash through it to show that that is not audible when reading these words. Level 3 focuses on many different concepts throughout, such as consonant digraphs, are controlled vowels, and silent letters. Just as in the other levels, the objective slide will denote which concepts are new for the lesson and which are reviewed from that previously recorded lesson. In this lesson, the worm activity reviews concepts, so this slide should move very quickly. It's about a 1 minute game to practice these skills. Then you will move on to introducing the new concepts, which are the digraphs wa and f. These digraphs are introduced in an inductive way, which is more of a discovery method of the student learning. They will observe examples of these words in context and then will look at the rules. But you will first see if the student can make a generalization about the rule of these digraphs.